Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing well. So now I'm going to discuss the interview series round Amazon by GFG, which is conducted every Sunday. So we'll go to the first question. First question by the contest is max sum without adjacent. It is very much similar to the house robber problem from lead code. You'll see the question tells us that we have to select, if we can not select the adjacent elements, like if we select 5, we can't select the next 5 one. Let me take the pointer. Yeah. If we select the first one, we can't select the next one, and if we select the 10th, we can't select the 100 one. So we have to select in such a way that the adjacent elements are not picked in any case, and we get the maximum as sum as the maximum, which is 110 in this case, by selecting 0th element, 3rd by the sorting of index, and 5 1. So we get 110. In the next case, we can select 3, 7, or 3 or 10, 2 or 10, or 3 or 10 in the first case. So that will give us 13. So how to solve this question? We will use the approach of dynamic programming, which begins from the case of recursion. So in this problem, I have solved it using recursion and then memoization, which is actually the top-down approach. The top-down approach, which is the recursion approach, and by using the memoization, tabulation form is the bottom approach. So in this, I have to, first of all, you can actually, there is a simple way. Let me explain you the how I have made it. Like vector int at dp, first of all I will declare it, and I will resize it to n+1, and I'll move it from the position of 0 to n-1, which is my first index. I will declare everything in the form of index. If index is n, we will return 0. If index is n-1, we will return the last element. Since we have already filled our dp with n-1, we will check if it is not equal to -1, we will return the dp of index. Then there are two cases will arise. We will always part the questions of dynamic programming into two ways. One we shall take and one we shall not take. I have declared to some variable. In sum one, I have taken first array of index, this is like 5, and then I have skipped this second 5 and gone to the index of +2, index +2. This will call the recursion. Next, I have not taken the 5th element, and I have called the recursion from this section, which will consider according to the next loop, which is not take condition. And then I have taken the maximum of those two as the question was asked. And after doing all these things, in most of the question, the problem will come here. You have to take the maximum or minimum or take the sigma of both of them, and then you have to memoize it in the dp of index and then return it. It will start making answers from 0 and go till the index of n-1. That was all my discussion, but I can also show you that how to make it in a easier way. Like first you can make it, okay, let me take, how much time is there? 5 minutes. Thank you very much. Hope you like the video. Thank you very much.